Welcome to Manohar Chemistry YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain one small concept, that is hydrogen atomic spectrum. So to understand hydrogen atomic spectrum, in this I have taken one container. In this hydrogen gas is there. So in this hydrogen gas is irradiated with light or some radiation energy. So then this hydrogen gas will absorb that radiation energy or that energy. Hydrogen gas will absorb energy from the source. When hydrogen gas, you observe this hydrogen gas, all are present in the form of H2, means in this throughout the gas hydrogen is in the form of molecule, means H2. So by taking this energy they will dissociate themselves, means molecules will be converted into atoms. So these hydrogen atoms will absorb that energy from the source and they will try to reach excited state. This is excited state and this is ground state. Excited state and ground state. So when any atom is in excited state, that is unstable, we know that. So they try to retain its original position. In the process of reaching ground state, they will release different types of electromagnetic radiations. These hydrogen atoms will release different types of electromagnetic radiations. The arrangement of all electromagnetic radiations only, we call it as what? A hydrogen spectrum. So when you see this hydrogen spectrum, you will observe this type of hydrogen atoms will absorb energy and they will reach ground state, and they will reach excited state, and then after they are going to reach ground state, because in excited state atoms are unstable, so that's why they try to reach its ground state. So in that process they will release different type of electromagnetic radiations. So here each and every line has their own frequency and their own wavelength. So here regions are having different types of names. So these all places named after their discoverer. So based on the discoverer these names are given. So this first series we call it as what? Lyman series. First series is called Lyman series. Then after Balmer series. Then after series Lyman, Balmer, Fashion series. Then after Brackett series. Brackett. Then after Fund series. And one more series also available. So that is called Humphrey series. That is called what? Humphrey series. So when hydrogen will reach from high energy level to low energy level, in hydrogen spectrum these type of places are available. So here one region is discovered, different discoverers. So based on the discoverer name, these names are given as Lyman series, Balmer series, Fashion series, Brackett series, Fund series and Humphrey series. So when we go for this Lyman series, so actually Balmer given one formula to calculate frequency only for Balmer series. Only for Balmer series he given one formula to calculate the frequency and wave number. So Balmer given like this: nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to, so 109677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n2 square. 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n2 square centimeter to the power of minus 1. So later will helpful to calculate the frequency of only for his series. Then after Rydberg one scientist is there. He discovered one more formula which will work for all. General formula I discovered, that is nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 109677 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square centimeter to the power of minus 1. So in this Lyman series, now we are going to discuss one by one and how to define Lyman series. When electron will move from higher energy level to first energy level, when electron will move from higher energy level to when hydrogen atoms will move from higher energy level to first energy level, then Lyman series will appear. So then after, in case of Balmer series, when hydrogen atoms will move from high energy level to second energy level, then Balmer series will appear. So how this Fashion series can define? When this hydrogen atom will move from high energy level to third energy level, then Fashion series will come. When hydrogen atom will move from high energy level to fourth energy level, then Brackett series will come. When hydrogen atom will move from high energy level to fifth energy level, then Fund series will come. Then hydrogen atom will move from high energy level to sixth energy level, then Humphrey series will come. So Lyman series, Balmer series, Fashion series, Brackett series, Fund series and Humphrey series. These are different types of series. By using this formula we can calculate the frequency of any line in any region. So here in Lyman series, this line we call it as alpha line or first line. Alpha line or first line. This one we call it as second line or beta line, gamma line, so delta line, like this. So and this last line we call it as what? Limiting line. This last line we called limiting line. Why? Because it will come from infinite energy level to first energy level. The line will come from infinite energy level to first energy level. This is the last line in this region, so that's why we call it as limiting line. In every region, last line we call it as limiting line, and first line obviously first in every place. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. In case of this one, this is a limiting line. In case of this one, this is a limiting line. In case of this one, this is the limiting line. In limiting line, N2 value will be infinite. In limiting value, in every region, N2 value will be infinite for last line. And why? Because this line is appeared because of atoms are moving from infinite energy level to first energy level. Because of that, this line will be forming, so that's why we call it as what? Limiting line. And here first line, how this first line formation will take place? So hydrogen atom when reaches from second energy level to first energy level, this first line will be appeared. Means when atom is reaching from high energy level to second energy level to first energy level, it will release this radiation. So now we are going to discuss one by one wavelength, one by one region. Each and every region we are going to discuss. To understand each series very clearly, I am going to write in the tabular form. So first series is what? Lyman series. Lyman series. First series is Lyman series. For Lyman series, N1 value is 1. N2 value is what? N2 value we can take from 2, 3, 4 like this. So Lyman series, then after Balmer series. Balmer series, N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 3, 4, so on. Like this up to infinite. Fashion series, Lyman, Balmer, Fashion series. So Fashion series, N1 value is 3, N2 value is 4, 5, 6, so on. Then after bracket series, for bracket series, so N1 is equal to 4 and N2 is equal to 5, 6, 7, so on. So Fund series. Fund series is a 5 and this one is 6, 7, 8, so on. So then after Humphrey series, So Humphrey series, N1 value is equal to 6 and N2 value 7, 8, 9, so on. Ultraviolet region, second one will be appeared in visible region. This one is infrared. This also infrared. This also in infrared region, far infrared. So here this will be appeared in different types of regions. This is very important. And here frequency we can calculate by using this formula. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 1 by n1 square, 109677 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So here always condition is that n2 should be greater than n1. This is the condition, right? When hydrogen atom will come from high energy level to one formula here, for given n value, n is a here principal quantum number. For given n value, so how many lines are possible? For given n value, how many lines are possible means we have to use this formula, n into n minus 1 by 2. For example, for 4, if the principal quantum number is 4, then how many spectral lines will be possible? For spectral line 4. For quantum number 4, if the quantum number is 4, then how many spectral lines will form means, so 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2 we have to take. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Then how many here? 6 will form. So 6 spectral lines will form. When quantum number is 4, when n value is 4, then how many spectral lines will form? There are 6 spectral lines will form. Two energy levels means when electron will move from n2 energy level to n1 energy level. When electron will move from n2 energy level to n1 energy level, in such case, how many spectral lines will be formed how many spectral lines will form? For that we have to calculate like this, n2 minus n1 and n2 minus n1 minus 1 upon 2. By using this formula, if 2 energy levels they are given, then we have to use this formula. By using that also we can get spectral lines. By using this also we can get spectral lines. Related with this hydrogen line spectrum. So here the question is like this. Calculate the shortest wavelength in H2 plus spectrum of Lyman series when RH is equal to 109,677 centimeter to the power of minus 1. So calculate the shortest wavelength they are asking. Shortest wavelength. So you see how to when shortest wavelength is given, then how to understand that concept. We know that E is equal to h into nu, and E is equal to what? E is equal to what? H into c by lambda we can take, c by lambda. They are asking this value should be small. This value should be small means energy should be what? Greater. So where energy is greater, their lambda value will be minimum. Where energy is greater, their lambda value will be minimum, because h and c is constant here. So means here which wavelength, which line we have to choose. In a Lyman series will be like this. Hydrogen atom just now we have seen. So first line, second line, third line, fourth line like this. For Lyman series, n1 value is equal to 1, n2 value is equal to, n1 value is equal to 1. For Lyman series, n1 value is equal to 1. So because of n2 line we need this relation actually. N2 line we don't know which one is n2 line in that. He is asking what shortest wavelength, means n2 line he has not mentioned. For n2 line he given one clue, shortest wavelength. But based on that shortest wavelength line, here you see which lambda value is minimum, that energy is maximum. Where energy is maximum, that is very short line, shortest line in the series. So where energy is maximum, we know that according to Bohr principle, Bohr postulates, where n value increase, their energy value also increase. Means for the highest n value, it has a large energy. Means where n value increase, energy also increase. Means here n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Means last energy level is what? N is equal to infinity. Means for infinite shell will have maximum energy. When atom is moving from high energy level, infinite level to first energy level, that is shortest line in the Lyman series. Why? Because when n value increase, energy will increase. So this first energy level and last energy level will have maximum energy difference. When maximum energy difference is there, that will have what? Shortest wavelength. So here n2 value is infinite. Based on this one, n2 value will be infinite. This line is called what? Shortest line in the Lyman series. Shortest line in the Lyman series. Okay, shortest, this line only having shortest wavelength in the Lyman series. So that's why here I am taking nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 109677 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 109677 into 1 by n1 square, means n1 value is what? 1 square, minus 1 by n2 square. N2 value is how much here? Infinite. 1 by infinite value is 0, we know that already. So 109677 into 1 by 1 means 1 only. So that answer is 1 by lambda is equal to here 109677 centimeter to the power of minus 1. But we are expecting what? The shortest wavelength we want. So that lambda is equal to what? 1 by 109677. 1 by 109677. So 677 centimeter to the power of minus 1. So 1 by 109. So 911.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter will come. So 1 by RH value is like this. This value you remember, this will be helpful to you. 911.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. So if not, 911.7 into 10 to the power of minus 8, 9 angstroms also we can take. So this is answer. Here next question also related with hydrogen atomic spectrum. So calculate the wavelength of first line in the Balmer series. Wavelength they are asking in a Balmer series. So what is formula? So nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to 109677 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. We know that for a Balmer series n1 value is equal to 2. Why? Because Lyman series means n1 is equal to 1. Balmer series n1 is equal to 2. So just you observe in a Lyman series, in every series, first line will come from its next energy level to that respective energy level. Means in a Lyman series, n is equal to 2. Balmer series n1 value is equal to 2. First line will come in a Balmer series when atom will move from third energy level to first energy level. Means here n2 is equal to 3 and n1 is equal to 2. First line is this only. So for first line n2 is equal to 3 will come. So simply here nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda, so is equal to 109677 here centimeter to the power of minus 1. So 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square will come. So 109677 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9 will come, right? So which is equal to 109677 into centimeter to the power of minus 1, centimeter to the power of minus 1. 9 minus 4 by 36 will come. So which is equal to 109677 into 5 by 36 will come. 5 by 36 centimeter to the power of minus 1. If you simplify this, 15232.96 centimeter to the power of, from this lambda is equal to what? 1 by 15232.9, 15232.9, so centimeter to the power of minus 1. If you simplify 6.565 centimeter, you will get 6.65 into 10 to the power of minus 5 centimeter you will get. So next question also belongs to this hydrogen spectrum. A certain transition in hydrogen spectrum from an excited state to the ground state, an excited state to ground state in one or more step. So means one atom will come, a certain transition will occur here. So maybe it is one step or more than one step, gives rise to a total 10 lines. How many of these belongs to UV spectrum? 10 spectral lines. It is going to form 10 spectral lines. We don't know which one is N1, which one is N2. So how to solve this problem? We have a formula here, n into n minus 1 by 2, which is equal to what? 10. So n square minus n minus n is equal to what? 20 will come. So n square minus n minus 20 is equal to 0. So that here n is a common, 4n plus 4n minus 5n minus 20 is equal to 0. So n is common here, then n plus 4. If minus 5 is common here, then n minus n plus 4 is equal to 0. Then here n into n minus 5 is common, n plus 4 is common, n plus 4 is common, and n minus 5 is equal to 0. So then here n plus 4 is equal to 0, we have to take one choice, and n minus 5 is equal to 0 also one choice. Here n is equal to minus 4 will come, n is equal to 5 will come. N is equal to 4 value will not possible, so that n is equal to 5 only we have to consider. So whether our answer is right or wrong we have to check. Just to substitute here, 5 into 5 minus 1, 5 into 5 minus 1 by 2 means 20 by 2, means here how many? 10 spectral lines will form. So 10 spectral lines means our answer is right. Means here highest energy level is 5. Highest energy level is 5. So when atom will come from high energy level to ground state level. When high energy level to ground state level means when n is equal to 5 to first energy level when they are approaching. So they are saying clearly UV spectrum. In UV spectrum, how many lines are belongs to UV spectrum they are asking. So according to hydrogen spectrum, UV spectrum is nothing but which region? That is Lyman series. So UV spectrum is nothing but what? Lyman series. So means here N2 value you know, N1 value for Lyman series is 1. So this clue indicates this is Lyman series. How many lines are appeared in Lyman series they are asking. For Lyman series N1 is equal to 1 and here N2 value is 5 for us. N2 value is 5 here. N2 value is 5 and N1 value is 1. Then how many spectral lines will be possible for that? So we have one more formula, value is equal to 5 means what does it mean? This in Lyman series, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 1, n1 is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 5. Energy level to first energy level, okay, fifth energy level to first energy level, fourth to first energy level and third to first energy level and fifth to 1, third to 1 and 2, 4 lines are there. Whenever they given 5 means highest energy level we will obtain, from that highest energy level we will get 4 lines. So our answer is 4 here.